Hello, my people, my country people, una well done. Oh. I don't know when this story go meet you, whether na for morning, whether na for night, whether na for afternoon, but I know say it dey tough well. Some of us they go work, some of us they hustle, some of us they try with children, carry children, drop for school, everywhere. I know. That's why they say una well done. Oga, well done, you don't try. Madam, well done, you dey try. You say make you dey know say you dey try you, because if you no know say you dey try, nobody go tell you say you dey try. Make you dey know say you dey try. Now wetin I carry come today, you see this story when I carry come today. Now for you woman, today me as this thing just start, na woman I dey talk to. You know why? Because I know say devil don enter our home too. Devil don enter our homes. Devil na bru, they just want destroy everything. Now, as you get up this morning, madam, now you are the talk to. You don't greet your husband. You greet your husband. You don't say, darling, sweetheart, good morning. No, maybe you dey keep malice. Wetin we dey see now be say when man begin the malice you too will be woman, you go malice man. You know say we dey for competition now for this era when we dey. Man and woman are the same. When man carries shoulder, you too will be woman, you go carry shoulder. This talk why they talk, you know mean say woman no be anything. Woman a support system to a man. And you will be support system. Me, you know, say some men, sometimes they behave like children, no. They behave like children. In fact, sometimes when you see your husband, you go they see one small picking character for him face, because small thing you don't vex, small thing you don't shout, small thing you will be woman. Now it do God keep you there. You go get up now. You say, the world now an advanced war. You dey compete with your husband. If he get up, him frown face, you frown face. If you no eat your food, you say, you collect your food. You go sit down, roll leg, eat them. You dey compete with your husband because you and your husband don't be made. Make I dey tell you something. You know how many women where they out there where they find men where go keep them say my wife. You know how many women you know. Now that man no be the same man wey be say leave every woman come choose you, come your parents' house, come pay bride price, carry you keep, say this one now the one when I choose to be part of my family. No be the same man you dey fight with. So that man now don't turn your enemy. You dey sit down like this, you dey open your eyes, you dey see as soap they enter your eye. You dey allow the soap they enter, they go, they pepper you, they go, they pepper you, they go. You know say now you go fix marriage. Now woman they fix marriage. Oh. I know say some of us where they this Lagos, some of us where they this Nigeria. We go sit down, they say America, marriage, the way because of waiting with the see for TV, when they decorate the show. See, Matt tell you something. Marriage everywhere now the same thing. Marriage, the only difference between marriage in America and here, and I say government give women right, where we say that if you push the man come off for house, but the emotional part of a woman are the same. The Bible says your desire shall be for your husband. So waiting that one come in be say if you like make you get money full the whole world. If you like make you find full everywhere. If you like men you know book pass everywhere. If man no dey your house, your life, it dey like say nothing cover your head. Marriage na veil where they cover us, where they make us beautiful. And always say we don't come do so we too they find the things when our hand no reach. We they struggle, we they compete. We they want to see when another woman drive car pass. You know as they take struggle by am. You too you go one drive car. You want your husband make it go steal and order. Wait, you know see family where be say they like 5, 6 inside that family. The man na small thing you do. When he come home, you go see woman go say Nam, my husband, Namuku, sweetheart, this, bring food, bring that. No be say now when you see themselves, you go envy them. No be say they don't even get car. Now happiness they get. You see this war where we dey so not be forever we go stay here. But when we stay here now, we go use our hands, prepare the home when we get, prepare our life, respect our husbands. All of us, some of us we go sit down say men they say we na weaker sex, weaker human being. Wetin it can be? You know weak. If you a man stand, you go feel bitter. Your man they tell una wetin do we know they put our eye for waiting they beautiful. If they say you are the weaker sex, you don't see the beauty in that. No be you wey be say you go dey sick like this, your husband go dey pat your body with cold water, with hot water, dey my wife, my beautiful wife. No be the same you wey your husband go dey call beauty, beauty, beauty. No be the same you wey be say your husband no go let make you carry heavy load because he know say he strong pass you. No be the same you be say person go touch you, your husband go wan kill himself, say person touch you. No be the same you wey be say person slap you, your husband ready to go jail for say person slap him wife. Yes, because your husband know say you no dey strong enough to stand that person. Na him be your strength. Wetin do we know they celebrate our husbands? Wetin do our eyes dey outside wey be say every time na fight for house? We wan compete. See, ma tell you wetin competition dey do for marriage. Na man and man dey compete. No be man and woman dey compete. So when you say you be woman, you can't dey compete with your husband. Your husband go dey see you like man. Your husband no go dey see you like woman again. Sometimes you go say, they touch me, he does not love me. Now because you dey compete with him. You don't turn his opponent. So opponent now sometimes the enemies they be. They see political opponents, how they fight. So as your husband don't they begin they see you like man, now do you know they come close to you because you they compete with that. What's be this thing where be say man and woman go live for house? You will be woman, you want to they compete with husband. What's be this thing? I know they talk say as I come so now. I know talk say me self na me better. Me self I follow for all of these things when I go they talk about. And as I they educate una, and so I they educate myself. Yes. As I they distribute, as I they dispense knowledge also to una, and so I they me self I they pick up. Because me self to every woman, we all they guilty for this thing. When life hard small, now so we go put pressure on the man. If he pay school fees, if he pay children's school fees, if he pay house rent, which can useless man. Some of us go say na marriage na a day to another. If it dey easy, you know go fit pay. They go Abuja there, they go Port Harcourt, they go Calabar, they go Asaba. They see how women they struggle. Know say some women too, now then they pay school fees. Know say some women too, their husband self don't get stroke, they know they feel what, now them they still pay house rent. Why your own way they give small, you go say, they do this, they do. No say, you go help and think of what you go do, where go help make that marriage better. Me I not talk say men no get their wahala. Them they get their own plenty wahala. We go they even talk about them for this show. But now me I they talk about you. See, ma tell you, this life now stage by stage. You go they grow small, you go they grow small. No, they put eye outside. They compare yourself. These people, their own better. This people, work your own salvation. Work on with your husband. Find ways. If your husband they very troublesome, you too you go try they calm small. So that you go to make him. No be say you go to argue with him. Everything when you talk, you argue. Everything you talk, you oppose. He show you hate, you show him hate. You show you go to compete with him. You get off for money, do you do him. Your own go long past your own. If you do high, you do high. Now your own go long past it. You know go feel shut up. Now inside house you dey. Plenty bad things they happen inside house. Even the most beautiful woman in this world, her husband, they get right, say something when outside that no feel safe to her. He go say, now you do, you safe now my husband. Now you do, I go fit take this one. Why you know they patient? You go try they patient. Build your home, build your home. See, you see all these women when they waka, without a man, I can take care of myself. Now only them know waiting that they suffer for night. As I talk, so no be sex matter, I talk loneliness. Loneliness, there's no substitution to loneliness. So what I mean be say nothing you go fit take cover loneliness. Where you dey lonely, you dey lonely. See, loneliness, when you leave that veil where they cover you, now there you go no say you dey for street. That husband when you say no get money, that husband when you say na useless man, that marriage when you say na useless man, na useless marriage. When you leave and when that covering remove from your head, now you go no say you dey for straight. Now you go no say all these things women they waka they talk without a man I can survive. Without this na film trick, na real film trick because na lie that they lie you. Now lie that they lie. You fit get money. Money no go sleep with you. Money no go call you sweetheart. Money no go suck your breast. Money no go kiss you. Money no go do all of those things for you. Money no go say, my wife dey very cold, I go boil water for am. Money no go do all those things for you. Now human being go do those things for you. So make you know they look down on wetin you get to. The reason why I bring this show for Pidgin English, now I say make nobody say no hear wetin I talk. Person where they live for Nigeria, nobody wey know they understand Pidgin English. So you no go talk say I use grammar where you know here. For the other my show they say grammar too big. I too they break at now you do they know they even follow am. Say the grammar too big. Now for big people, now for people where go school. Now I don't bring the one where everybody go here. People where go school go here. People where no go school go here. All of us now the same name we be for this earth. Now so God love us love us the same. Whether you go school, whether you beautiful, whether you get money, whether you know. Now so God love us. Hold your home, oh. Hold your home. No, they allow things where you they see they deceive you. My country people. Now your girl ABO or Buki. Now him me I be. I bring this story come meet you for house. Thank you so much, oh, as you listen. I beg make you subscribe. I beg make you share this talk, oh, share them. Talk to people. Talk to people. Plenty talk go they come here. Like every day. Now so we go they get talk when we make you share them, my people. Thank you so much. Press that button, oh. You know what you go do? You go press that button so that anytime when I put video, you go just see them. Thank you so much. Thank you.